mean, it's quite a shock. Finding a man lying at the bottom of the stairs, isn't it, darling?
Oh dear.
But now that we've all met, well, we'll just have to introduce ourselves, won't we, darling?
Oh dear.
This is my husband. I'm afraid he hates surprises. So, darling, why don't you get the bottle marked poison in the downstairs loo? That eats through anything.
The bottle. Yes, absolutely. I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous!
No balls, no burglar laws, they ought to be prosecuted for incitement.
Come join the party
I suppose this is all my fault, because when I say, I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous, and go to open the door,
Keep going.
No, but sometimes it makes me want to sit down and...
I know, it's getting like a funeral in here.
When I think I used to do bets, when I remember I used to do bullion vaults, what am I doing now? Making into paper bags.
Keep going.
Stop!
No.
Well, I thought the coast was clear. You see, I saw him going out to the bathroom.
It's all right, love. We'll think of something.
No, I was listening most carefully. And what did he say?
I've heard of people getting stuck with a problem, but this is ridiculous!
And he opened the door. There was!
They always come in threes.
I think I used to do banks. But I remember I used to do bullion vaults.
Hold on. This man's not a burglar. He's our social worker. He's the nice man that comes and tells us all what to do.
I've been working on Richard III for the past 6 weeks.
You think he needs more working on than we do, love?
He's a burglar now, is he?
Oh, no.
I've got the sack, have I?
No.
Okay, I'll think of something. Fetch your sardines.
Don't fetch the
You
sardines.
fetch your sardines?
She fetched the sardines.
Right, get the tax man.
He's got the tax man.
Right then, I suggest...
We're doing it, are we? Richard is there.
What's he saying?
He's saying, bring the police.
Ring the police.
No phone.
No phone!
Fetch a phone. Here's the phone. There's the phone.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
It's the police. I'll just tell them we're missing a young woman.
Yes, we're missing a young woman.
It's in the garden now. And it's a man. Oh, there she is. We've forgotten all about her. He almost saw me.
All right. Well, would you see that, love?
I've got to get the 840 back to London.
Don't look, and there she is. Dead in a wedding dress, it is. A wedding dress, right?
Yes. It's their wedding day. What a happy ending. They'll just want to be left alone in their new home. If only someone would pull the shades.
Come on. Don't look, and there's the mother of the bride.
Pull the shades! That's line.
Last line!
Yes, Lloyd.
But I'll tell you one thing, Vicky.
What was that, Dad?
When all around is strife and uncertainty, there's nothing like a good old-fashioned state of lights,